Protocol for the prohibition of the use of asphyxiating, poisonous or other gases, and of bacteriological methods of warfare. The undersigned plenipotentiaries, in the name of their respective governments, here follow the names of plenipotentiaries. Whereas the use in war of asphyxiating, poisonous or other gases, and of all analogous liquids, materials or devices, has been justly condemned by the general opinion of the civilized world, and whereas the prohibition of such use has been declared in treaties to which the majority of powers of the world are parties, and to the end that this prohibition shall be universally accepted as a part of international law, binding alike the conscience and the practice of nations, declare that the high contracting parties, so far as they are not already parties to treaties prohibiting such use, accept this prohibition, agree to extend this prohibition to the use of bacteriological methods of warfare, and agree to be bound as between themselves according to the terms of this declaration. The high contracting parties will exert every effort to induce other states to accede to the present protocol. Such accession will be notified to the government of the French Republic, and by the latter to all signatory and acceding powers, and will take effect on the date of the notification by the government of the French Republic. The present protocol, of which the French and English texts are both authentic, shall be ratified as soon as possible. It shall bear today's date. The ratifications of the present protocol shall be addressed to the government of the French Republic, which will at once notify the deposit of such ratification to each of the signatory and acceding powers. The instruments of ratification and accession to the present protocol will remain deposited in the archives of the government of the French Republic. The present protocol will come into force for each signatory power as from the date of deposit of its ratification, and, from that moment, each power will be bound as regards other powers which have already deposited their ratifications. In witness whereof the plenipotentiaries have signed the present protocol. Done at Geneva in a single copy, the 17th day of June, 1925.